Away from all this politics, let's get you a live update now on the farmers' protest. 29 days now, these farmers have been protesting at Delhi's borders. Kumar Kunal is joining us from one such border point. This is the Ghazipur border, where we've been seeing protests only intensifying in the last few weeks. Kumar, with the farmers' union making it very clear that as things stand, they're not open to dialogue. A lot of questions being asked about how really this deadlock will end. If you could also give us details about the digital press conference that the farmer unions will be holding at 12.
See, today what farmers are going to do, that they will chalk out their strategy and they will announce their strategy, that what will they do after the talks have been failed. And even yesterday they did a press conference and they clearly mentioned that there won't be any talks till the government will accept their demand for repealing the laws. And what they charge the government against, that government is trying to defame their agitation. There are political interests. They are trying to make that it's a regional or a religious protest more rather than the farmers' protest. So there is a certain section of BJP and government who is trying to defame the protest. We have some of the farmers with us. क्या आप लोगों को लगता है कि जिस तरीके से सरकार कर रही है और आप लोगों को बदनाम करने के लिए और बाकी तमाम चीजों की भी कोशिश की जा रही है?
नहीं, बस यही है जो यहाँ से मतलब सरकार मानने की बात ठीक है, अगर नहीं मानती तो हम डटे रहे हैं तलने के लिए, बस यही डटे रहेंगे। 26 जनवरी यही मनाओगे।
आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि जो सरकार है वो सीरियस है इस पूरे मसले को लेकर के कि सॉल्यूशन निकालना?
नहीं, सरकार तो गुमराह कर रही है। मैं कह लगा मेज बाजो बात करेंगे, ऐसे करेंगे वैसे करेंगे, सीधी कोई बात नहीं कर रहे हैं। भाई हमने कहा हमारे जो 3 बिल हैं वे कैंसिल हो, हमारा जो है MSP का जो कानून है, एक कानून बड़ा अलग से, बस ये है हमारे, तो और क्या है?
What farmers are telling and what they are angry about, that what government should do is a clear talk, and there is no clear proposal from government side.
Okay.
Whatever the demands of farmers are, they are not taken care of. The demands are completely different set of demands are there, and what government is talking is definitely another language which government should not speak of. So
Okay.
they are blaming government that they are not serious about their demands, and that's why this kind of situation is arising, and they have to be here and doing agitation right now.
Okay, Kumar, thank you for getting us that live report from the Ghazipur border. Ashutosh Mishra also visited the Singhu border and the GT Karnal road that remains blocked by farmers, which means that traffic towards Delhi from Haryana and Punjab has been restricted. Let's get you that ground report.
I am here at Kundli border, where one side goes to Singhu border, some 6 kilometers from this point, and right behind me the road connects Haryana and Punjab. Except the vehicle, those who belongs to the farmers organizations, farmers union, or these farmers coming from Haryana and Punjab towards Singhu border are allowed, but other vehicles, any other vehicles which are not belonging to the farmers, they are being diverted. भीड़ जो है पीछे जो सिंघू बॉर्डर की तरफ गए हैं उसमें कुछ कमी आई है और बढ़ रहे हैं?
ना ऐसे ही चल रहा है। 2 दिनचर्या है रोज की, वैसे ही चल रही है।
लगातार आ रहे हैं?
हाँ, लगातार।
The farmers have blocked the national highway at Singhu border, both the sides. But there is one strategic entrance open they have kept to ensure their supply is uninterrupted. And through these narrow lanes, they are ensuring their medicines, food, ration, drinking water, everything, the supply of these essential commodities doesn't hamper. ये कैसे सुनिश्चित करते हैं कि आपकी सप्लाईज आती रहे, रास्ता जी खुलना है, कब बंद करना है?
सर वो हमारे पंजाब नंबर की गाड़ी आती है ना, और किसी की नहीं जाने देते।
पीछे जो सामान आएगा, जो राशन आएगा, कोई
उसको जाने देना,
पानी आएगा, वो जाएगी, सप्लाई चलती रहेगी।
So here is the point where the agitating farmer and their camp begins, and from here onwards up to 6 kilometers, where that exactly the Singhu border is located, and that's how the traffic can be seen blocked completely. यहाँ पर भीड़ बढ़ी है, तो रसद भी तो खत्म हो जाएगी, तो आंदोलन कैसे चलेगा?
1 साल भर चलेगा, साल भर का राशन है हमारे पास, 1 साल का।
जितना चाहेगा चलेगा। से ज्यादा का समय हो चुका है, अब नहीं लगता आपको कि घर जाना होगा, या कब जाएंगे घर?
नहीं, घर का क्या फिक्र है, जब ये मानेंगे नहीं तो घर जाके क्या करना है।
सब लोग हर करनाल से आ रहे हैं?
सब करनाल से निशा।
कब तक आएंगे यहाँ पे?
जब तक धरना रहे, जब तक काले कानून वापस नहीं होंगे, जब तक आते रहेंगे।
For next few minutes, a time with these farmers on this moving tractor to understand their words on these farm laws, why Annadata is so angry. This is how they stayed at Singhu border. This tractor and trolley, a makeshift camp, and this is all they had in terms of assets. Why they are returning back? Why they came at Singhu border? And now, what next for them? तो अब आप गांव क्यों जा रहे हैं?
गांव जा रहे हैं अपनी खेती बाड़ी या कुछ और देखने और लोगों को साथ लेने के लिए।
अब जो लोग हैं उनको ये लगता है कि किसान जिद पर अड़े हुए हैं, तो जिद पर कौन है, सरकार है या किसान है?
किसान कोई जिद पर नहीं, सरकार अड़ी हुई है जी जिद पर। किसान तो चाहते हैं बिल माफ कर दे, हम क्यों यहाँ पर रहेंगे, हम घर का काम धंधा करेंगे।
कितना समय लगेगा आपको इसमें पहुँचने में पंजाब?
हमें 12 घंटा लगेगा।
12 घंटे लगेंगे लुधियाना जाने में?
हाँ, लुधियाना जाने में। हम अपने गाँव में चले 12 घंटा लगेगा, अपना काम धंधा करेंगे, 4-5 रोज में फिर वापस आ जाएंगे।
Somewhere between Haryana and Punjab on this national highway, this is how their life have been spending in past few days, more than 3 weeks. They are agitating against the agricultural laws. The deadlock continues between the government and the farmers. But for now, on this national highway, in this moving tractor with Satya, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.